So this is the small hex drive impact as opposed to the big 1/2 inch drive impact. You can see that day and night, but this is too heavy. You don't want to work with that too much. If I want that kind of power, then I go to the stubby air impact, which is a 1/2 inch drive, and it's shorter than the stubby electric, but more power. So this is 18 volt. Okay, we got full power there. And you can buy all these hex adapters, so you can drive sockets with it, which is really neat. We've also got the Allen drives and the 3/8 adapter. 1/2 inch adapter, it will actually take lug nuts off with this, and that's heavy. There's also the you can buy all these different sizes. I bought the Milwaukee set that comes with all the different sizes, all the different Phillips square drives, flat blades, Torx drives, Allen sets. It's got extensions. The thing this tool doesn't work well with is the Phillips. It'll just strip the screw right out. No good for that. If you want to put big deck screws in like this is exterior grade deck screw, but it's hex drive. See that? So you use a little hex driver. And when I bought a box of these, it came with the hex driver. This is, yeah. What is it? Premium exterior grade wood screw. And so to engage this, you just pull out this spring-loaded collar and push that in, and she's in. That didn't even engage the hammer drive. It just drilled it right in. And if we go to something bigger, it'll engage the hammer drive, the impact. So that, and a roofing screw. It's got the seal on the end. Wrong direction. And that's countersunk. That's gone right in. See if we can get it out. Yeah. So it's a hell of a tool. I think it was like $99, but the battery was the battery's at $100. But I already had the battery because I bought the other big impact first. But I use this a lot more than the big tool. This was about $30. It's well worth it. Great tool, great technology. These lithium batteries, they're amazing. They have intelligence circuit in it. When you plug it in, it knows which kind of tool it's in, so it knows which kind of power to deliver. Oh. Here's the drill. The drill's nice too. You're drilling holes in steel, so it knows which kind of torque curve to deliver to the tool itself. And then you can torque it down. That's maximum speed when it's torqued down. They're great tools. I'm glad I bought them.